What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. OMNI Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to today's free SAP Material Management and Supply Chain Introduction workshop. Thank you for joining us and investing your valuable time in learning one of the most important ERP modules used by organizations worldwide. Whether you are a student, supply chain professional, procurement executive, warehouse manager, inventory controller, ERP enthusiast, or someone looking to build a career in SAP, this workshop has been designed specifically for you. Today we are going to explore how global organizations manage millions of dollars worth of materials, inventory, procurement activities, vendor relationships, and supply chain operations using SAP MM. Many people hear terms like SAP, ERP, procurement, supply chain, material management, inventory management, but often they don't understand how all these components connect together in a real business environment. By the end of this workshop, you will understand what SAP is, why organizations invest millions in SAP systems, what SAP MM actually does, how procurement works in SAP, how inventory is managed, how materials move across the supply chain, how SAP MM integrates with finance, production, warehouse, and sales, what career opportunities exist for SAP MM consultants, and most importantly, how you can begin your SAP MM journey. This is not going to be a boring technical lecture. We will discuss real business scenarios, practical examples, and industry use cases that will help you understand SAP MM from a business perspective. So stay engaged, take notes, and get ready for an exciting learning experience. Understanding SAP. Before understanding SAP MM, we first need to understand SAP itself. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. SAP is one of the world's leading ERP software companies. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, many beginners hear the word ERP and become confused. Let me simplify it. Imagine a company using different software for different departments. Finance uses one software. HR uses another. Sales uses another. Inventory uses another. And so on. Because all systems are separate, information becomes scattered. Departments cannot communicate effectively. Reports become inaccurate. Data duplication occurs. Decision-making becomes slow. ERP solves this problem. ERP integrates all departments into one centralized system. Everyone works on the same database. Information flows automatically. Processes become streamlined. This improves productivity and business efficiency. SAP is one of the most widely adopted ERP systems worldwide. Thousands of multinational companies use SAP every day. Industries using SAP include manufacturing, retail, healthcare, banking, telecommunications, oil and gas, automotive, logistics, construction, aviation, government organizations, and many more. Some of the world's largest organizations depend on SAP to manage their operations. This alone demonstrates how important SAP skills have become in today's job market. What is SAP MM? Now, let's focus on SAP MM. SAP MM stands for Material Management. Material Management is one of SAP's core modules. The primary objective of SAP MM is to ensure that materials are available in the right quantity, at the right time, at the right place, and at the right cost. Think about a manufacturing company producing cars. To manufacture a car, the company needs steel, tires, engines, electronics, glass, seats, wires, lubricants, thousands of components. If even one component is unavailable, production can stop. Production delays cost money. Customers become dissatisfied. Business losses increase. SAP MM helps prevent these issues. It manages procurement, purchasing, inventory, material planning, vendor management, warehouse activities, stock tracking, invoice verification, supply chain processes. In simple words, SAP MM controls the complete journey of materials from purchasing to consumption. Why material management is important. Let's understand why material management is so important. Every business depends on materials. Without materials, products cannot be manufactured. Services cannot be delivered. Operations cannot continue. Poor material management can result in stock shortages, excess inventory, wasted resources, delayed deliveries, customer dissatisfaction, financial losses, operational inefficiencies. Now imagine the opposite situation. A company always has the right inventory. Purchases are optimized. Vendors are reliable. Warehouses operate efficiently. Inventory costs are controlled. Production never stops. Customer orders are fulfilled quickly. This creates a competitive advantage. That is why organizations invest heavily in SAP MM. SAP MM helps organizations reduce inventory costs, improve procurement efficiency, increase visibility, enhance supplier collaboration, improve warehouse management, support business growth, provide accurate reporting, and enable better decision-making. Understanding supply chain management. Before understanding SAP MM, we must understand supply chain. Let's imagine a simple example. You walk into a supermarket and buy a bottle of water. Simple transaction, right? But think about everything that happened before that bottle reached the shelf. Raw materials were purchased. Plastic was manufactured. Packaging materials were sourced. Production was completed. Products were transported. Warehouses stored inventory. Retailers ordered stock. Distribution networks delivered products. Only then could you buy that bottle. This entire journey is called the supply chain. Supply chain management ensures the right product reaches the right customer at the right place, at the right time, and at the right cost. Supply chain consists of planning, procurement, manufacturing, inventory management, logistics, distribution, and customer delivery. Now, where does SAP MM fit? SAP MM mainly focuses on procurement, purchasing, inventory management, vendor management, material management. In simple words, SAP MM controls the flow of materials entering an organization. If materials do not enter properly, production stops. If production stops, sales stop. If sales stop, revenue stops. That's why SAP MM is considered a critical business module. Supply chain fundamentals. Now let's understand the concept of supply chain management. Supply chain management is the process of managing the flow of goods, information, and services from suppliers to customers. A simple supply chain consists of supplier, manufacturer, warehouse, distributor, retailer, customer. Let's take a practical example. A laptop manufacturer needs processors. The processor supplier provides the processors. The manufacturer assembles laptops. Finished products are stored in warehouses. Distributors receive products. Retail stores sell products. Customers purchase products. This entire network forms the supply chain. SAP MM manages a major portion of this supply chain. It helps businesses maintain smooth operations across procurement and inventory processes. Real-world example. Let's understand SAP MM through a real-world example. Imagine you are managing a hospital. Every day the hospital consumes medicines, syringes, gloves, masks, medical equipment, laboratory supplies, cleaning materials. Without proper inventory management, critical supplies may run out. Patient care may suffer. Operations may stop. SAP MM helps the hospital monitor stock levels, track inventory consumption, generate purchase requirements, create purchase orders, manage suppliers, receive materials, verify invoices, maintain compliance. This ensures uninterrupted healthcare services. The same concept applies across industries. Retail stores, factories, universities, airlines, banks, government departments. Everyone needs effective material management. What is SAP MM? SAP MM stands for Material Management. It manages all activities related to purchasing, procurement, inventory, goods receipt, vendor management, material master data, and invoice verification. Let's understand through a real-life example. Imagine a car manufacturing company. To build one car, thousands of parts are required. Tires, seats, glass, steel, electronics, engine components, paint, nuts and bolts. Every item must be purchased from suppliers. Every item must arrive on time. Every item must be tracked. SAP MM helps manage this entire process. The purchasing team creates purchase requests. Suppliers provide quotations. Purchase orders are generated. Materials are received. Inventory updates automatically. Invoices are verified. Payments are processed. Everything is controlled through SAP MM. This is why organizations invest heavily in SAP MM professionals. Core components of SAP MM. Now let's discuss the major components of SAP MM. Material Master contains all information related to materials. Examples: product name, material number, unit of measure, storage details, purchasing information. Think of it as a digital identity card for every material. Without Material Master, SAP MM cannot function properly. Vendor Master stores supplier information. Examples: vendor name, contact information, payment terms, banking details, tax information. This helps organizations maintain supplier relationships efficiently. Purchasing manages procurement activities. This includes purchase requisitions, RFQs, quotations, purchase orders. Inventory management tracks stock levels. Questions answered: how much stock do we have? Where is it stored? When was it received? How much has been consumed? Invoice verification ensures supplier invoices match purchase orders, goods receipts. This prevents overpayments and financial discrepancies. SAP MM integration with other modules. SAP MM does not work alone. It integrates with SAP FI, Finance, SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, SAP P, Production Planning, SAP WM, Warehouse Management, SAP EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, SAP QM, Quality Management. This integration allows seamless information flow across the organization. SAP MM implementation projects. SAP implementations generally follow these phases: project preparation, business blueprint, system configuration, testing, training, go live, support. SAP MM consultants participate throughout the project lifecycle. This makes SAP consulting an exciting and rewarding career. SAP MM Career Roadmap. Popular SAP MM career paths include SAP MM End User, SAP MM Power User, SAP MM Support Consultant, SAP MM Functional Consultant, SAP MM Senior Consultant, SAP MM Lead Consultant, SAP Solution Architect, Supply Chain Consultant, Procurement Specialist, ERP Consultant. Fresh graduates can start with end-user knowledge and gradually move toward consulting roles. Interview preparation. Common SAP MM interview topics: procurement cycle, purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, material master, vendor master, inventory management, movement types, organization structure, integration concepts. Practical business understanding is often more important than memorizing definitions. Future of SAP MM. The future of SAP MM is exciting. Organizations are adopting SAP S/4HANA, artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, automation, digital supply chains, cloud ERP solutions. Professionals who combine SAP MM knowledge with modern technologies will have strong career opportunities. Today we covered Introduction to SAP ERP Concepts, SAP MM Fundamentals, Supply Chain Management, Procurement Process, Inventory Management, Material Master Data, Vendor Management, SAP Integrations, Implementation Projects, Career Roadmap, Interview Preparation, Future Trends. You now have a solid foundation to begin your SAP MM learning journey. Final call to action. Thank you for attending this free SAP MM Material Management Supply Chain Introduction workshop. I hope this workshop has provided valuable insights into the world of SAP and supply chain management. Before we conclude, I have something special for all workshop participants. Exclusive workshop offer. As a thank you for joining today's workshop, all participants can avail a 20% discount on SAP MM training programs. This offer is valid for the next 7 days only. If you've been thinking about starting your SAP journey, now is the perfect time. Don't wait. Take action today. Invest in your skills. Invest in your future. Also, make sure to visit the OMNI Jobs and Internships portal, where you can explore latest jobs, internships, graduate programs, ERP opportunities, SAP career openings, IT and business vacancies. Thousands of learners use the platform to discover career opportunities every day. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to the OMNI Jobs WhatsApp channel. By joining the channel, you'll receive daily job updates, internship opportunities, scholarships, certification updates, career tips, hiring announcements, industry news. This ensures you never miss an important opportunity. Thank you once again for being part of this workshop. Keep learning, keep growing, keep building your future. I wish you success in your SAP MM career journey. See you in the next workshop.